guys, I hope you've had a great day. I hope you had a chance to make your superhero, and I especially hope that you are posting them to Winsong's Fine Art page so we can surprise all of the teachers that we think that they're superheroes. So today's project, I decided we should do a project on typography. Typography is using words to create art. So I decided we should all use a name. Of course, I'm using the name Emma. Now, this is a fun project to do, and it's pretty simple, but it takes a little bit of a while. It takes a little while. So I ran my paper this way, okay, horizontally, and I'm going to start with a simple way of drawing my name, or Emma's name. So I'm going to just print it. And I'm using all capital letters, okay? So you're just carefully going to write your name. After you do that, we're going to turn them into like almost a bubble letter. And this is super easy to do. Just remember to write lightly. So all I'm going to do is come down and trace around my first part of my letters. See how I traced all around it? We don't need that line anymore. And all of a sudden, we have a thicker letter. This same thing, we're going to come in here and up, follow your lines around. And I have a second one. So it's as easy as that to make letters. You can make bubble letters by making instead of having the sharp corners, you would just round them. Here I have my little triangle, and I can erase out that. Simple as that, okay? Our next step, what I did is I went around my name, okay? So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw lines going around the name, and then I would go like, oh, I'll just add a little bit of a zig and a jag, and I'm just coming up and I'm following around my letters. If you don't want to have these little extra ones, you can just go straight around them. I'm going to do one right there, okay? So now all I did was take a zigzaggy line around the whole name one time. Now it's easy. The rest of the way, I'm just going to fill up my paper, and I'm going to just keep going around. And I don't want to make it too fat, and I don't want to make my lines too skinny. So you decide how far apart you want your lines to be, because this is the part where you're going to start coloring it in. I think I'm going to give that a little jag, and that's okay. So now I'm going to go my next time around. And I'm just going to keep working my way all the way around. And you keep going all the way around your name. And you just have to be careful that it connects. And we're building all the way out. When you see what I got over here, when I run out of the page, that's okay. I'm just going to follow that line. And eventually your lines are going to start going off the page. But just pretend like they're still there. Work your way all the way around. Just keep on following it. And you end up having a fun design with just using your name or Emma's name. Okay, now I just need to come down here. I think I have room for a couple more rows. Here, and here, here. Okay. After you get it done, you can use all sorts of colors. And again, I know everybody has different types of colors at home, so if you have markers, great. If you have paint, good. If you have crayons, fine. If you want to just do it in pencil. But make sure you post it back to me, because I love seeing your art, because I still miss you. Talk to you later. Bye.